Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a bulleted list in your notes on Workflowy. So let us begin. Alright guys, so navigate to your calendar on Workflowy, and what you want to do is, let me just navigate back to the home section. What you want to do is click into these three lines here to the left to access this overview and create a new note by clicking into this button. Give it a name here, like for example. And then what you want to do guys is click into these three dots, select turn into, and then you can create this note into a bullet list by selecting bulleted list here. Or alternately guys, what you want to do is, as you can see, the first bullet point has been added, so 1, and then skip to the next line, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. If you'd like to change the indent, press tab on your keyboard, and that's it. Of course guys, what you want to do as well is navigate to the given point and then enter the command / and then you will see the action bulleted list here. Select it, and that is going to create or start the bulleted list in that line here, if you'd like to start it there instead of converting the entire note into a bulleted list. And that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.